Hi, I'm Greg Lake, President of the Lake Companies, and this is the 13th in a series of 20 videos to help you build your business with document automation. Let's continue the discussion of storing documents in a database versus on the Windows file system. As mentioned in the last topic, Doc-Trak maintains documents on your current Windows file system, while other document management systems store them and the information to find them in a database. There are a number of reasons for this, but the most important for document management systems is that they start with nothing, meaning they're not made for ERP, for insurance companies, for financial services companies, or any other industry. They're made for document management. So they need to have a way to store documents and information to find those documents. If they'd store the documents on your existing Windows file system, then there's not much for you to purchase and not much for them to sell. The result is, if they store everything in the database, they can sell licenses for every person that needs to use their programs to access the information and the documents. But here's where it gets much more complex. If document management systems store the documents in a database, that database will grow and grow over time because the number and volume of documents can grow to require tremendous storage. That means the database is one more container of information that needs to be monitored, backed up every night, and maintained so it doesn't get to be too big. When databases grow too large, they have to be moved to places requiring more space. It sounds like really expensive hardware to me. In addition, old documents that aren't needed have to be purged. All of this is an ongoing maintenance expense with extra training and complexity that companies simply do not need. Doc-Trak allows you to define where on the Windows file system that you want to store any document that's created by Doc-Trak. These documents are SyteLine forms such as invoices, order verifications, purchase orders, job paperwork, packing slips, and the list goes on. Every one of these SyteLine forms can be stored in different places on your network with the location determined by the related SyteLine field information. For example, service or repair part invoices can be stored in separate folders from new equipment invoices. Order verifications for any salesperson can be located uniquely by the salesperson. You manage your Windows file system in the way you choose. This is far superior to having document management systems define the database or databases that control where your documents are stored. Businesses make money by eliminating or automating the numerous manual tasks that are performed by people, not by creating profit-eating new tasks that only expensive IT people are capable of performing. Compare Doc-Trak to any document management system and you'll understand what I mean. Let's move on to how Doc-Trak versus other document management systems look up and find documents for users. That's the subject of the next topic. I'll see you there.